This might become your new favorite side stretch. We'll use a low hammock to open the hips, lengthen the entire side body, and create delicious space through the ribs and waist. The rolling transition may look tricky at the beginning, but I will teach it one step at a time so you can build confidence before putting it all together. Let's get into the hammock and move. For this sequence, we will use low hammock about ankle height and no handles. You will lie down on your back with the hips right underneath the rig point, and then bringing your legs through the center of the hammock, come into the supported bridge pose. Take time to spread the fabric comfortably around your hips and let yourself settle in for a couple of nice, deep, nourishing breaths, maybe swaying your hips from side to side, letting everything settle. Relax your face, release your shoulders down away from your neck. Take a few nice, deep breaths. From here, we will transition into our frog inversion by wrapping your legs around the hammock, hips behind the hammock, and the shins in front. Bring the soles of the feet together and let yourself take a couple of sways from left to right, settling into your hip opener. Breathing in and breathing out. We'll start prepping for our side stretch by rolling to our left side first. So our right side will be the top side of the body in this stretch. And to enter it, we will need to move our right leg all the way up the side of the hammock, straightening it as much as feels comfortable. You're going to hook the foot and move it up. And then the lower part of the body, the left side, that's where the knee is going to come closer towards the floor as you press your heel towards the glute. And when we need to roll, we will push this left knee away from the body. So you can take your left hand and gently practice by pressing your left thigh away to the opposite side of your mat. And this is how we're going to use the momentum to help us roll to the left side. So just take a couple of gentle presses here, propping your left knee to move. And then another important point here is going to be the position of our arms. We will bring both arms over the head and bring the hands together to lengthen through the whole body. A lot of times what happens is people keep the shoulder under and try to roll underneath the shoulder, which is very uncomfortable. You're jamming your shoulder, and we really want to move the shoulders out of the way to create the momentum to roll the rib cage. That is why you want to bring your arms all the way long over the head. Bring your hands together. Keep those arms strong as you create the momentum to move your body all the way to the left. So when you're ready, you will start pushing your left knee away from the body to initiate that roll. Your head will be between your biceps, and you will keep pressing that knee away, which will create even more lengthening through both sides of the body. As you are in this stretch, keep breathing. It may feel intense, especially if this is your first time trying it. So take a breath or two. If you need to come out sooner, you will bring it back into your frog inversion. If you want to stay a little bit longer, feeling lengthening through both sides, hold there. Deep breaths, inhale and exhale. When you're ready, slowly, gently release back into your frog inversion and take time to shift your hips once more from left to right. You can keep your arms in cactus arms overhead, or you can bring your arms alongside the body, letting everything soften, letting your hips relax. And then from here, we'll prepare to roll to our right side of the body with the left side being on top of the stretch. So when you're ready, your left leg is going to slide up. You can straighten it as much as you can. And then we'll tuck in our right leg closer to the body to create that leverage and momentum with the right knee to push away from the body towards the other side of the mat to help us roll to our right side. So you can practice again with your right hand gently pressing that right thigh away. When you're ready, bring both arms over your head. Keep the shoulders strong out of the way. And then creating the momentum, let yourself roll to the right side. Keep pushing that right knee away, finding length again through both sides here, as well as a big deep hip opener. Let the breath flow. Try to relax as much as you can into the stretch. It may feel intense initially. Breathe into it. You may also feel the pressure of the hammock, almost like a myofascial release around your hips. Helps to open our fascia, our connective tissue. Nice deep breaths. And when you're ready to come back, just let yourself roll again into the frog, bringing the soles of the feet together. For a moment, take a couple of sways from side to side. You can also straighten your legs up the sides of the hammock, just a different variation. Sometimes it feels nice to unfold them, lengthen them. Take a few breaths here. Inhale and exhale. We can also release one leg at a time down towards the floor for a hip flexor stretch. So if you want to, you can bring your right leg down. Take a few breaths. Feel the lengthening through the right hip flexor. And then when you're ready, wrap your right leg back in and release your left leg down. Feeling the lengthening through the top of that left thigh. Deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Once more, your arms can be alongside your body or cactus arms over your head. And then gently return back into your frog inversion for a few more gentle breaths here. Inhale and exhale. And then when you're ready to release, we're just going to bring both feet down to the ground, one at a time, unwrapping the legs. You can take a few more seconds here in the supported bridge pose, swaying your hips, creating gentle movement. And then eventually lifting your hips up, slide the fabric from underneath you. You can bring both legs on one side and gently make your way up. Subscribe for more practices like this and continue whenever you feel ready.